Hello everyone. So welcome to one more set of videos, one more playlist in which I am going to explain how we can process the data that is being collected from the smart home kits. Okay, so what you are seeing right now on your screen is a sample sheet. Okay, so you can see time, voltage, current, power, energy, frequency, and power factor. So this information you are able to see on your screen, and this data is being fed from the smart appliance monitoring kit that we have sent. In fact, if I now go to the sheet, see there are multiple sheets. So if I go to first sheet K1, okay, so K1 sheet does not have any data. Let's check K2. K2 sheet is also empty. However, K3 sheet, it has some data. So let's delete this chart. So K3 sheet has the data. K4 like this. So I have circulated about 50 sheets to, sorry, 50 kits to the students. So some of the students have connected it and they started sending the data, and whereas some other students have not yet started sending the data. But anyway, so today what I want to do is how to analyze this data, to write a automated script using which we can analyze the data. Okay, what is to analyze this data in this and all these things in the series of videos you will come to know. So I'll just give you an idea. So for example, if I go to sheet 33 for example, so if I go to the last row, so here you can already see 49,056 rows are there, and again 49,057 rows are there. So if I wait for 5 more seconds, 49,058 rows are there. So in real time the data is being uploaded to the sheet. Okay, so if I wait 5 more seconds, more data will come. So let's wait for it. So sometimes the delay may be slightly more. So here now you can see 49,059 rows. Okay, so like this continuously data is being entered into this particular sheet. So this is sheet number 33. Yes, and again, what is the data? Voltage, current. So apparently power consumption is at 27.2 watts or 25.8. One more data point has come. 49,060th row. So like this. Similarly, if I go to the previous one more sheet, let's see whether this data is coming live. So apparently this data is not coming live. So let's try one more. So I mean, it all depends on the status of the kits that are being used. So let's see whether here already there are 31,230. So different students have different amount of data being uploaded. Depends on the whether they have connected it or not, and right now it is running or not. So looks like here right now this device is not running, so the timestamp is stopped here. So when the smart data collection device is connected to some appliance and it's connected to internet, then the data starts coming into this particular sheet. Okay, so here the process is writing to the sheet. Okay, so but we are not right now in this series. I am interested in reading from the sheet. Okay, so now this is K26. Okay, so kit number 26 is updating data. 48,164 rows. You can come. So then 48,165 rows and so on like this. Now, what we want to do is finally come up with a report like this. So, this is a report for 5th November, and these kits have data, other kits don't have data, and then one page for each kit, we are having a plots like this. So, as you know, the variables that we are having are current, power factor, voltage, frequency, and energy. Okay. So, like this, depending on some sheets have less data, so it plots less, whereas some sheets have more data, so then it plots more data. So anyway, so how to generate this kind of PDF file automatically? So every time you don't have to do the processing, you can do it automatically. So this is what I want to demonstrate in this set of videos. We'll be writing some Python programs to do this. One code for downloading the data, one code for creating the images plots, and another code for merging all the plots into one single PDF file. So these are the things. So let's get started. This is the first video. So this is the introduction video. So the objective is to convert this raw data into this kind of PDF report. So how to do that? So we'll see you in the next video.